Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Ilma Ayunda Lestari, a third semester student at Malang Islamic University. I will present my learning portfolio. Learning portfolio. Instruktur Zobi Masapi, MBD. Number 1, class attendance. Week 1, I am on time because I'm stay in my home. Week 2, I'm on time because I'm waiting for lesson. Week 3, I'm on time because I'm relaxed while eating. 2. Record of your reading process. The history of Batu Gilang, stone in the Ngabab Pujon village area, which will soon become one of the religion's tourism objects in Malang Regency. Petilasan is administrative located in Ngabab village, Pujon district, Malang Regency. The location of historical sites is located in the Perhutani forest area on the border between Pujon and Ngantang district. To get to Batu Kilang is still quite difficult, so that this tourist spot is not widely known by the general public. But the close route to Batu Kilang can be reached via Pujon to Pasar Mantung. After crossing the mountain bridge, turn to the right of the road, then go up towards Ngapa village. To get to the Petilasan, it can only be reached by motorbike by penetrating the forest. The distance from Ngapa village is about 6 kilometers. But if you was on object, you have to pay quite a fortune at a cost of around 1,000 per person from Ngabab village to Watu Kilang and road trip. To arrive at the Watu Kilang sit area, you have to be extra careful. The path will progressively go up to the top of the hill, which is usually shrouded in the fog when you are at the entrance to Watu Kilang. You will immediately see an excited, grave and proud welcome the newcomers. In front of the site are foremost several ancient tombs and a square stone staircase. The Watu Kilang site is clearly visible with its large shape like a giant wall for a fortress of a kingdom. There is a path that leads to the main tomb of Basumo and the grave of other figures. Of the existing tombs, only Basumo's tomb is given a king house. Next to the grave complex, there is a path leading to Ndarawati Cave, which is on top of another mountain peak. On the front side of the tomb, there is a small path to another peak, which is about away with a very deep ravine here. Lots of cliff above and below the Watu Hilang area. The entry tomb has a large regulator stone. Where the stones come from is still a mystery. However, based on the findings around the forest, there are still rocks like the remains of an extinct volcanic eruption. Text 2. The story of the Batu Kilang stone in the village area of Ngapa Pujon, which will soon become one of the religious tourism object in Malang Regency. Petilasan is administrative located in Ngapa Village, Pujon District, Malang Regency. The location of this historical site is located in the Perhutani Forest area on the border between Pujon and Ngantang District. To get to Watu Gilang is still quite difficult, so that this tourist spot is not widely known by the general public. To get to the Petilasan, it can only be reached by motorbike by penetrating the forest. The, the distance from Ngaba village is about 6 kilometers, but if you use an object, you have to pay quite a fortune around from Ngaba village to Watu Kilang and round trip. To arrive at the Watu Kilang site area, you have to be extra careful. The road will continue to rise toward the top of the hill, which is usually shrouded in deep fog. When you are at the entrance to Watu Kilang, you will immediately see an excited grave and pond welcoming the newcomers. In front of the site were scattered several ancient tombs and a square stone staircase. Next to the grave complex, there is a path leading to Dorwati Cave, which is on top of another mountain peak. The entire tomb has a large rectangular sandstone. Where the stones come from is still a mystery in itself. However, based on the findings around the forest, there are still limestone like the remains of an second volcanic eruption. Expression difficult. Number one, make your own language. Number two, difficulty understanding language quickly. Number three, how do we memorize vocabulary quickly? It's easy and fun. Number four, what should we do if the words do not match what we mean? Number five, how to make a good and correct essay. Big question one. Number one, where is the Watu Gilang religious site located? Number two, how to access the location there? Number three, which what vehicle if we have to go to this historical sites? Number four, what is at the entrance of the finds? Number five, where do these two stones come from? Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you.